Mike, you're the recorder guy. Alright, try not turn around. Yeah.
Cool. It does have good reception. Alright, how do you feel, Nathan? You're about to break your neck and then fucking crush your crotch on this bike?
I would jump more than once, so.
Okay. He's gonna jump this bitch over there.
Alright, Mike, walk out there.
Yeah, I know, I'm on it. Hurry the fuck up. Okay, Nathan told me to talk to you, okay? So, why the fuck am I talking to you? This is a gay phone. Hurry up! Hey man, can you zoom in with this? Alright. Jump it again! Just for shits and giggles! You calling that a jump? You're a sissy! You call that a jump, man? You're a sissy. Really jump it. You know you got the power. Feel the force, Luke. Use the force. I don't care if they laugh at you. Break your neck.
Oops.
Crush your crotch. And don't let the bike die, okay?
I think that was my crotch.
Wait for the truck.
Go, go, go!
Use the force! He's gonna really crank that. Okay, that was a little better. What's wrong with you, man? Did you lose your mojo? You're only jumping like 5 feet. You're only jumping 5 feet, man.
What is that?